Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to create a group order in the Zomato app. Just open the app, find the restaurant you would like to order from, and then in the top right corner you can find the group order button. Tap on it, and now select the place of the delivery. You can add the new name of your order, and you can set the time limit, for example 1 hour, so that you can add more dishes for 1 hour and start the group order. Then the invite link has been copied to your clipboard, so you just have to share it with other group members and they can add new items. That's basically it. I hope it will be useful for you.